Hello, so I got this vacuum from a seller and I'm so excited about it. So let's go ahead, see what's inside, and we're also going to put it together. Alright, so when we open it up right here, we have the instructions and we have some screws right here. And I'm going to tell you later for what they are. We have this little brush that you can use to vacuum. We have the extension bar right here to make the vacuum longer. Right here we have this little brush to clean the vacuum itself, and we have this kind of little knife to cut hair if there's stuck. This right here is also an attachment that you can use to kind of vacuum in the corners or underneath the counters where the vacuum doesn't reach. Here, this is the main attachment. This is what you're going to use to vacuum. Right here we have the charger. This is the main part, and this is where all the dirt is going to be collected. This right here is the battery that's going to go in the main part right here where the dirt is collected. And then we have this right here, and this you can actually use to put it on the wall. This is why we need the screws, so you can put this on the wall and put the vacuum inside here so it nicely sits in one place. So now let's go ahead and assemble the vacuum. So we're going to take the battery. So right here we have the extension, and the nice thing about this is the fact that you can actually make it longer like this or shorter. Then we're going to put it right here, and it's gonna click in, very simple. And then here you can use this, or you can use the little brush that we have, or this tube. So I'm gonna go ahead with the main one and slide it in right here. Again, it should just click in. What I absolutely love about this vacuum is the fact that you can actually put it down all the way. So if you're vacuuming underneath the table, underneath the chairs, or underneath the couch, you can actually put it all the way down, and you can reach even the hardest parts, which is so nice. To clean the dirt out, there's a button right here on the side, so you're just gonna press it and lift it up. And then right here, press on this, it's gonna open up and all the dirt is gonna come out. And here, this is where the filter is, and we have another extra filter, which is really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and give the vacuum a try, and I'm gonna show you that. Alright, so right here we have some mess that our birds did, and I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum. But before I do that, I do want to mention that this right here is touchscreen, and it has three modes actually. So this is a medium, high, and low. And what I love is the fact that right here you can see the percentage of the battery, which is really nice because you know how much you have left. And what I absolutely love is the fact that right here we also have a light, so you can kind of see all the dust and the hair that is on the floor. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So right here, this is the lowest speed, and as you can see, it's already sucking all the dirt. Alright, so this is the medium, and as you can see, it is so easy to vacuum all the mess that the birds did. Just look at that. And it's really lightweight, so your hand is not gonna get tired, which is also a really nice factor. So overall, it is a great vacuum, and I'll definitely recommend it. Go ahead and purchase it because it's gonna make your house so much more clean.